Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Stremio's playback error. Now, sometimes when you play something, when you start watching a movie like this, for example, I muted it because I don't want to have any issues when it comes to copyright, when it comes to audio. Sometimes a pop-up will appear like this, which is a playback error. Now, this usually means two things. It's either you need to check your internet connection with your ISP, or you need to clear cache. Now, the first thing we're going to do is clear cache, right? So I'm going to show you how to do it. So on the main menu right here, what you want to do is hover. You're going to see a few menu icons here. Click on the settings, and here in settings, you're going to see on the bottom, it says clear local storage. This is pretty much what clear cache is. So just click on that, and that should do the work, the trick. And just, like, close Stremio and then open it again, and that should work. The other thing is you need to check again your internet connection. So what you need to do is go to speed test and check your internet speed if it's up to scuff. If it's normal, then it might be a server issue on Stremio's side instead of yours. But again, you need to check your internet connection. So as you can see, mine is very normal, so that means you're fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.